Hello and welcome to a video that will help us fix a few engine codes. I am sitting in a 2001 Ford Escape XLT with the 6-cylinder 3-liter engine. It has almost 169,000 miles. We are going to be pulling the codes. I have pulled them before, but I honestly don't remember them. Battery pack out of voltage range, we're going to ignore that one. Onboard diagnostic computer complete, ignore that one. So this is the first code, P0401, and another one which is P0401 confirmed. So this one is detected and this one is confirmed. This code is an EGR code, so I have purchased a new EGR. This is what it looks like. I will tell you guys how much I paid for it because I do not remember right now. And replacement of the EGR valve should be pretty darn easy. This is where it is. We'll have to remove the hose, undo the bolts, take it out. There's almost like a valve that you would kind of use for a bathroom. It has a big nut on it. So we'll have to unscrew that. And then it's honestly plug and play. I'm going to start with the easiest thing to remove. For the next steps, I'm going to add some light so you guys could see better. This is the nut I was talking about. It's right behind the valve. So we're gonna take off this one first, and then it should be just 2 bolts, one here, one here. And I believe the assembly should come out. Maybe we'll have to do this one also. We'll see. And for this, I'm using a 27mm wrench. If you have, I guess, a socket that will kind of work with it, you could use that. I do not, but it's not too difficult to turn it. It's slightly uncomfortable to get back here, just because a 27mm wrench is big. The nut is now out. That's what it looks like. Let me get you guys some focus. There it is. We'll have to undo these bolts right here from both sides, and then it should slide out. The bolts here are 10mm. Looks like break them loose and then do it by hand. First one out. Now let's do the one behind it. Once you remove the second bolt, this just kind of comes out. There is a small gasket here. I dropped mine right in there. I'll have to find it. But you could see the gasket on the new one. This is what it looks like. So just be careful. Not a big deal if you drop it, but better if you don't. I could definitely see some moisture in here. Some buildup. Here's the new part. We have the gasket like this. And what we're going to do is just slide that in. And then with 2 hands, prop it up and start screwing it back in. And we're just tightening the new one in. Now we do this big 27mm nut. Tighten it as much as you can by hand and do the rest with a wrench. Last step is to put this rubber hose on. And that's it. You guys are done. Now for expenses. I bought this new EGR valve on eBay and I paid $20.66 with free shipping, and it took about 15-20 minutes to replace. I think that's a pretty good deal. All you have to do is clear the check engine code and drive the car. Guys, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in another video.